Sorry, your account cannot be used on this device, Netflix. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So if it says your account cannot be used on this device, the problem is not with Netflix, but with the device that it could be using. So if you're using a custom operating system, which is known as custom ROMs, or it could also be because you have rooted your Android phone, and the other is if your play project is actually uncertified. So first of all, if you have rooted your phone, I would want you to go ahead and unroot it and then just actually make sure to install the local firmware of your device. And once you've done that, the next step will require you to simply go ahead and just open up your Google Play Store over here. And then all you have to do is just tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on settings. Then all you have to do is now just go to about and then just see if your device is actually certified or not, which you can see at the bottom of the screen that the device is certified, because if you're not using the official software that you have, so this way if you have done this, you should be able to go ahead and fix your account cannot be used on this device on Netflix. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.